Well, thanks for popping in. I'm just enjoying a coffee here. Beautiful. Morning coffee, always good. Well, today we're going to have a little bit of a light-hearted talk about what is the most essential thing on a Lotus. And I'm just up here at Whiteman Park. It's a beautiful setting. They have some lovely water areas. You can walk your dog, and a lovely natural bush. And it's really nice up here. So a beautiful place to have a little bit of a discussion about Lotuses, and let's work out what is the most essential accessory on your car.
Let's check out what could qualify. Well, the wing would be pretty good, create extra downforce. We always like a little bit more grip over the back wheels. Maybe. Or a new stage 2 exhaust system. That'd sound pretty cool. Or a water charged intercooler. That'd definitely get rid of the heat soak. Or a nice new set of boots with some grippy rubber. That'd be nice in the corners. Or some HID lights for better night driving, to see where you're going. But no, none of these. So what then?
Yeah, well, you must be thinking at this point in time in the video, you go, Wayno lost his marbles, man. A jockstrap coffee cup, essential accessory for the Lotus. What the hell is he thinking? Well, yeah, we all like to go faster. We all like to handle better. But look at it this way. If you're not caffeinated, you haven't got your coffee, which is an essential product for the driver, how are you going to focus and drive your car? So the way I look at it is, if you haven't got a place to put your coffee cup, you go, what's the point? So anyway, that's my assessment. As I said, it was going to be tongue-in-cheek and a bit of fun, this video. So what we've got is we've got accessories, coffee cup, jock strap, add lightness, well, add weight, but it's a very light coffee cup. So there you go. Original Lotus part, jock strap, coffee cup. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed having a bit of fun, and I'll catch you next vid. Cheers.